Lesson 92 is on dividing by two-digit numbers. My first problem is divide 150 divided by 12. So first I'm going to write out the number, 150 divided by 12. We begin by breaking the division into smaller division problem. We start with the first digit to the left and we say, how many times can 12 go into 1? Well, it can't. So then I go to the next digit. How many times can 12 go in 15? 15 divided by 12 is 1. So just like normal, we do 12 times 1 is 12. Subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. And then we bring down the next number, which is 0. Then I have to think, okay, how many times can 12 go into 30? And I know that I can go into it 2 times. 12 times 2 is 24. Subtract it. And I have 6 left over. So this is going to be my remainder. Remainder 6. So my answer is 12, remainder 6. You can check your answer by multiplying the divisor times your quotient and then adding the remainder at the end. So 12 times 12 is 144. I add the remainder 6 and I end up with 150. So I know that my answer is correct. Okay, the next number we have 987 divided by 32. Again, we want to break this into smaller pieces. So 987 divided by 32. 32 cannot go into 9, but it can go into 98. 32 goes into 98 3 times. And we can do the first digit trick by thinking, how many times can 3 go into 9? And it is 3 times. 32 times 3 is 96. We subtract it, 2 left over, bring down the 7. Okay, now I need to think, okay, can 32 go into 27? And no, it can't. So since it can't go into it at all, we're going to put a 0 to say that it can go into it 0 times. 32 times 0 is 0. 27 minus 0 is 27. So my answer is going to be 30, remainder 27. Hey, the last problem. Loma Vista School expects an enrollment of 868 students. The principal wants to have about 24 students and 1 teacher per classroom. About how many teachers are needed for the students at Loma Vista School? So we're going to estimate this problem. Since we're estimating, we're going to look for compatible numbers. So 24 students, it will be the easiest and the closest thing to round that to 25 students. And then 868, I want to round it to a number that I can divide easily by 25. And so that would be 875, because I know 25 goes into 75 really easily. Okay, so we do 25. How many times can 25 go into 87? And that's going to be 3. 25 times 3, which is 75. Subtract it. I get 12 left over. Bring down the 5. 25 goes into 125 5 times. 25 times 5 is 125. So I know that I'll need about 125 teachers for the school. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.